Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my tassel keychains. I'm so excited. So if you guys watched my latest tutorial, I showed you guys how to make a planner tassel for your planners, whether it's a ring planner, a tan planner, whether you want to hang it on a purse or a handbag or anything that you can hang it on. This makes a really cute tassel, and all you have to do is add a little bit of decor to it and you have a really nice tassel. So today we're going to be doing the same thing but the keychain version, which is very similar, and the procedure is also pretty similar. There's really not much that changes to it. So today I'm actually going to be using this thread. It is same thing from the I Love This Cotton from Hobby Lobby. It's $3.79. This is like the ivory color. It's 24 ivory, and it's such a pretty color, and it practically can go with just about anything. I do have some bows that I made already, so we can attach them. I'm going to be attaching one to this one as well. And then same thing, you're going to need a book for your sizing, and then I have a glue gun already heating up just in case. And for this, you're definitely going to need some kind of key ring. So here I have my key rings. These are the ones that BB Craft sent me a long while ago. They come in different sizes, and BB Crafts is a website where they sell a lot of like scrapbook supplies and whatnot. So they have like the largest ring, and then you have like the smaller ring, you have the smaller, then you have the smaller to that, and then you have like the medium size, which is the one that I normally use. But today I'm actually gonna go ahead and probably use a slightly smaller one. So this is the smaller one. The one that I normally use is this one. It's kind of like a medium size. And I'm going to go ahead and save that. And I just keep it in this little container for, you know, good organizing. So you're going to need a key ring. You could probably check Amazon or your local Dollar Tree or maybe Home Depot. I'm not really sure where they sell them, but maybe just kind of check online. And then of course you're going to need some scissors. I have my little tiny scissors as well. And then my bucket for any trash that I need. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Same thing, we're just going to take our yarn and we're going to go ahead and start wrapping it around. I'm going to keep it the same size, the same length. It works for me, so that's what I like. And then again, you can always make it as thick as you want to. You can make it as thin as you want to. That's totally up to you. So we're just going to do the same method and just wrap all the way around, push over, wrap, and push. You want to keep pushing, that way everything stays nice and tight. The tighter the tassel is, the nicer it'll look. And again, this is the thread that I like to use, and I actually want to try to get to Hobby Lobby sometime, like ASAP, because I wanted to make some red ones. I don't have the red thread from this name brand, or the red yarn. I don't know why I keep saying thread. I don't have the red yarn for this kind of brand, and this is my favorite brand now for making tassels. So I want to pick up some red ones so I can do some Valentine's Day ones. My planners are almost ready. So just to give you guys a little update, I do have only 4 Valentine's Day planners that I'm working on, but I'm also gonna have 2 or 3 bonus planners that I'm going to be selling as well in that same sale. And those are going to be they're still going to be kind of like love, friendship theme related, but they're not going to be Valentine's Day. So I have 4 that are specific to Valentine's, and the other ones are going to be some super fun themes that you can definitely use all year round. So make sure you guys are on the lookout. My sale, I will announce when my sale is going to be. Again, since there's going to be only 4 Valentine's Day TNs, those are going to fly by so fast. There's already a few people that want them and that are waiting. So make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so that whenever I upload that video, you'll get notified. Let me know in the comments down below if you prefer that I upload that video in the afternoon. I'm in Central Time, so let me know if you prefer that I upload it late afternoon, like around 5 or 6 when everybody is off of work, or if you prefer that I upload it in the morning, sometimes like around 10, 11, or do you prefer I upload it later at night, like around 7 or 8 or 9 p.m.? Let me know what your preference is, and whatever gets the most votes, I'll be happy to do that, just because I think the last sale I had, I released the video early, and some people were like, oh my god, I was at work and I couldn't watch the video, oh my gosh, and you already sold out. So, you know, I want to try to get as many people to buy it. I'm also going to be selling keychains, so very excited about that. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna have 4 Valentine's Day planners, and I'm gonna have 2 or 3. Right now in my head I have 2, but I might have 3 that are a non-Valentine's Day theme, but still kind of related to love and or friendship or cuteness, that type of stuff. So yeah. Anyway, so now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and cut your yarn. You're going to need 2 long pieces, just like I did in the last video. Go ahead and put your yarn to the side, and then you're going to go ahead and take your yarn and you're going to cut at the bottom. Just like that. Right, so you're gonna have a little edge right there. Put your finger, that way you kind of know where the middle is. Throw whatever axis you have out. So this is the part where we're gonna make our keychain part. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and take your thread or your yarn. Why I keep saying thread? It's because I'm sewing, so I keep using the word thread now. Okay, so you're gonna take your yarn and you're gonna go ahead and do the same thing. You're going to try to level everything out as best as you can so that you don't have to do so much cutting. So just take that. Perfect. Right? That looks good enough for me. I can cut this end and it'll be fine. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to tie a knot. But you want to tie the knot where it's not extremely tight that you can't get into it, and you don't want to tie the knot where it's extremely loose and then the head of your tassel is going to fall apart on you. So you want to make sure that it's nice and secure, where it's nice and tight, and you're going to double tie a second knot. Now what you're going to do is you're going to turn it over. And as you can see, I still have some wiggle room to add my keychain in there. So I'm going to go ahead and brush my hair out. Just like that. And you're going to do it very gently, because since you have this part that's loose, it could, everything could start falling apart on you. So you have to take your time and be very, very slow about it. And just with your fingers, just comb through the yarn. I was going to say thread again. Bring everything out just like that. Right? Perfect. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my second yarn. I'm going to put it right here. And I'm going to tie it the same way that I did to my last one. And I'm going to pull everything down, and I'm going to close, right? So I'm going to go ahead and tie my knots as tight as I can, and I'm going to go ahead and do one more. Bring the top one under so that everything lays nice and flat. Perfect. So this is where you have, because the top is not extremely tight, you do have the capability of just kind of combing them down still. So as you can see, I have one that's kind of sticking up, so I'm just going to bring it down with my fingers, just like that. Do the same thing over here. They're squinching up a little bit, and there we have it, right? So right away, I'm going to go ahead and add my key ring, just like And there you have your tassel keychain. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut all of my hair at the bottom. So remember, you're just going to do a lot of cutting. You're going to take your scissors and you're going to just start cutting until everything is nice and leveled and even at the bottom. So just cut up to wherever you need to, however much you need to. And everything should be nice and level. So I'm going to do the rest of this off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, perfect. So I leveled it as best as I could. So everything, one way to see if it looks nice and level, just go ahead and lay it down kind of like a fan. And you'll see that it looks good enough, right? It's never going to be perfect because of the way that it's cut and the way the yarn lands. But just get it as best as you can, and here we have it. So as you can see, I have my keychain, and look at how cute that is. Now, another pointer that I can give you guys, if you want the head to be extremely tight, you can go ahead and do it the first way, and all you have to do is cut off the very top as close as possible, and then with a lighter, just go ahead and kind of, you know, fray it so that it stops from fraying or running. And then go ahead and take your keychain and just put it in through this little hole right there. So if you want it, again, if you want it to be nice and tight, you can do it this way. But if you like the clean look of just the yarn hanging out that way, then you can do it this way. It also, but just know everything is nice and secure because this is extremely tight and it's tied a couple of times. So just wanted to show you guys and let you guys know that those are two different ways that you guys can do it. I always prefer to do it this way. Now that I know how to do it this way, I feel like it looks cleaner and more professional. So yes. So the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and attach our bows. I'm going to show you guys how I attach my bows. Now these bows, I use my metal die. I have a Sizzix machine, as you guys already know, and I love to do a lot of die cutting. And I bought these dies right here. I want to say these are from AliExpress. It's a bow, and it cuts out the bow itself. It cuts out the bottom piece, and then it cuts out the piece that goes into the middle. So I have one of each. I don't need this one. If I want to add it, I will, but lately I haven't been adding it. So I cut out two in different colors, one pink and one in like a teal green. I'm going to use the teal green for this one and then the pink for the blue one. So I have my hot glue gun ready. I think it's nice and hot. And then I'm just going to go ahead and fold this in, and I always like to take out. I'm going to hot glue the top, just like that. I'm going to go ahead and tuck it in, just like that, and then I'm going to hold. Hold it down as tight as possible.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. Best thing, you're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, you're the best thing. 'Cause you're the
cute. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add the pink one to this blue one. And I did clean up my tassel, so it looks so much more cuter. I love it. It's so pretty. It's such a good size. All right, so like I said, you can either add it to the back, depending where it looks nicer, but I think the front actually looks nicer. So I'm going to go ahead and take this. Remember, your backing has to stay in the back for, you know, a more clean, professional look. Just take it and shove it on there. Let it sit. Now, which side looks better over here? I think this side actually looks really nice. I like the way the key's laying down. Okay, so now we're going to take this, add your hot glue. And there we have it, you guys. Look at how cute that is. So it is a blue tassel with a pink faux leather bow and a pearl in the middle. And it is ready to use. I could hang it on my planners or wherever I want to. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the color combination. And then here we have a tassel keychain. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the teal green with the ivory and the pearl. It just looks so pretty. It has a nice size key ring and it's ready to go. And that's pretty much it, you guys. That is my tutorial for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, found it super helpful. I hope you decide to give it a try. If you do, go ahead and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your creations. My Instagram handle is always in my description box below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and as always, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys very much, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.